Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play mini games on Hamster Kombat. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app. Now, go to the Hamster Kombat official page chat. Here, you can see the play button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Once you are on Hamster Kombat home screen, you can see 4 different options under your profile bar. Tap on the minigame option. Tap on the play button. Now that you are in the minigame section, you will find a game where you need to remove blocks and create a path for the key to pass through. Simply drag the blocks out of the way to clear a path for the key. And this is how you can play mini games on Hamster Kombat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.